Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. Today's video is going to be very useful for you. This is all about math. This is a complete guide on what to teach a 2 to 5 years old kid related to math. So here I am going to share the entire math syllabus for 2 to 5 years old kid. This is what I followed for my child. This is more than enough for a 2 to 5 years old kid, but if you have any ideas related to this, feel free to comment in the section below. So let's start. So when teaching math, we need to concentrate in two areas. One is oral and recognizing, the other one is writing. What is recognizing? That is, if you point out a number, child must be able to say what number is that. Oral in sense, they should tell the numbers in order. First, we have to start with oral and recognizing. When the child is well and good in this area, we can move on to writing. So what all we have to teach in oral and recognizing? The first one is numbers from 1 to 20. Again, I have written numbers from 1 to 50. So numbers from 1 to 20 is for age 3 to 4. You can start teaching numbers at the age of 3. Numbers 1 to 50 is for age above 4. The whole syllabus is for 2 to 4 years old kid, but I have mentioned for 2 to 5 years old. Why? Because you have to make sure, that is, if you have a child who is around 5 years old, you have to make sure if they are well known with these concepts. These are the pre-math concepts which are very basic and very important. The next one is counting. They should be able to count numbers from 1 to 50. Let me tell you in detail. For children who are 2 or 2.5 years old, we can start teaching numbers from 1 to 20, and children above 3 years old must be thorough with number 1 to 20 and counting numbers also. I will put a copy of this in my Instagram account. Do please make sure you follow me there. There I share more about the videos and concepts. You can save all these worksheets and syllabus from there. The next one is sorting and measurements. These are the fundamental pre-math concepts. This is very important for the kid to be known. We use these concepts in many areas in math, like circling the set or taking the odd one out, the before number, after number, the full set. There are so many areas in math which are related to this concept. So make sure they understand these concepts well. For every concepts in math or language or general awareness, we have to do more worksheets and activities for the kids to make them thorough. So in the coming videos, I will be sharing activities we do for these concepts. So don't miss any of these videos. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. Let me read one by one. Big, small, long, short, heavy, light, full, empty, more, less, same, different, near, far, above, middle and below, left, right, between, before and after. So these comes under sorting and measurement. The next one is shapes. Here I have included basic shapes: square, circle, rectangle, triangle and heart. All these 5 are very basic. This is must for a kid. Hexagon and pentagon are a bit tricky to teach. If you are able to do that, do it, but if not, no problem, that's fine. The next concept is patterns. So when it comes to patterns, they should understand what is a pattern, and first you start with color patterns, then you give them design patterns. You can give them shades of colors as pattern. We have so many patterns around us inside the home. Do please use those to teach. While teaching, always relate the concept to the real life factor so that children will be able to grasp the concept quickly. So these are the concepts we have to teach under oral and recognizing. The next part is writing. So when it comes to writing, make sure your kid is thorough with the numbers. That is under oral and recognizing. They should be thorough with the numbers 1 to 20 or 1 to 50 according to their age. Once they are thorough, you can start with writing. The most important thing in writing is when you start to teach them to write something, you have to start with tracing the letters or numbers. I have uploaded a separate video, a detailed video on pre-writing skills, that is the basics of writing. I will link the video below in the description box. Do please check. Tracing gives the child a good pencil grip and pen control. So always start writing with tracing. And tracing you can start with age 2.5. Next one is drawing shapes. For this we have to start with dot to dot connection, then you have to go for simple shapes drawing, then you go for pattern drawing. So this is all about math. This may look tricky and tedious to teach the kids, but this is not actually. You can do it. This becomes very easy while you start to teach. What you have to remember is every child is unique and different in their own way. So sometimes the child may be slow in learning. Some kids may grasp the concept so quick. What we have to do is first understand the child and do please be patient with them. Please be very slow in teaching. There is no rush because we are teaching fundamental concepts. This is the foundation for the kids, so please be slow. That's all about the video. Hope this video will be useful for you. Do please save the video for your reference, and do please give a like. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and do please hit the bell icon too. I'm there in Instagram too with the account name Homeschooling with Aju. Do please follow me there. In the next video I will share the syllabus for language. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.